Hey everybody, Eric here with Evade and Survive Tactical Training and Equipment. And one of the survival sites that I was looking at, they were talking about flammable foods. You know, which ones were the most flammable. And they said these Funyuns were super flammable. Now I love these things. I don't know about you guys, but so I bought it. You know, if nothing else, that blog post or video, whatever it was, they made a sale for Funyuns because I bought a bag. And I just ate the whole thing, but I saved one because they said it burns like, you know, better than almost all the other stuff, right? So I was like, okay, like, why are you gonna burn your Funyuns? I guess if times are that tough where you're burning your Funyuns, you're in a bad way. But don't burn my Funyuns, all right? We probably have to fight. But anyway, we're gonna see right now if it burns. And we're not going to use any high speed, you know, the bow drill method, or, you know, trying to get a spark off of banging rocks together. We're going to use a lighter, okay? 2019, we're going to use a lighter, okay? Modern survival skills, lighter, okay? So, does it burn? Survey says... Holy crap. Wow. Like, wow. Holy... It really does. Holy shit. There's something? Look at that thing. Oh, that thing is cooking. So yeah, if you get in a jam out in the woods and you're on your last bag of Funyuns, hang on to a couple. Because man, these could save your day out in the wood line. Wow, isn't that something? Alright, that's it. They burn. It's a go. It's true. I'm going to eat the rest of it. What a shame. Alright, peace out, guys.